1. Watermelon. The trick here is blood flow. According to Dr. Bamu Patil, this fruit carries the chemical citrulline responsible for increasing blood flow, in general, all over the body. This increase due to arteries widening up has a tendency to increase libido in men. A study by MD Esaraj al-Islam, which was initiated to see if old Islamic traditions regarding watermelons were true, also concluded its positive effects on sex drive. So dive into this juicy fruit, but take it easy, as it has alkaline-inducing effects on your blood's pH if you party too hard with it. 2. Dark chocolate. I am sure you could let go of the sugar. Milk chocolates and sweets that have chocolate in them taste great, but do you know good? Dark chocolate, on the other hand, is an acquired taste. Cocoa is not supposed to be sweet. But once you appreciate its flavor, you are in for some blessings to be bestowed on you. Owing to its superpowers of reducing stress and releasing dopamine, it serves as a great aphrodisiac, a rather quick feel-good food that will boost libido. 3. Oysters. For years it has been passed down as conventional wisdom in Europe, eat oysters to overcome any sexual ailment. Legend has it that even the great Casanova used to eat loads of them in a single sitting for breakfast, as a prelude to his romantic excursions that were to follow. Well, modern science, at least one major episode of it, has confirmed its procreational benefits. It was announced at a meeting of the American Chemical Society in March 2005, that its scientists had found a direct link that would have made Casanova smile. 4. Broccoli. Ah yes. An aversion to eat your greens since childhood? Let it go. Now, while there are many foods that address the libido issue by having flavonoids in them, there is no need to go through the whole list when you can mention their emperor, broccoli. Broccoli is a very powerful food for men to eat because it contains a compound called 3,3-diethylmethane or DIM that helps to lower estrogen in the body. A research as old as 1999 found that among a cohort of foods rich in flavonoids, broccoli showed the highest beneficial impact on the cardiovascular system, cementing its place as a go-to food when it comes to dealing with better blood flow. 5. Bananas. Maybe the list was slowly declining in its taste appeal, so here is the final one to liven up the group. Bananas taste good and they can be used in a million different ways. This research by Dr. Love Kush, maybe he was destined to study aphrodisiacs, first name, Love, and his last name means happiness in Urdu, mentions how bananas enhance the functioning of pleasure chemicals in the body, and goes on to name a number of other dietary choices you can make to spice up your love life. 6. Pomegranate. This guy seems to be filled with jewels. Its beauty has captivated people for centuries, and now we have good reason to consider it for our bedroom life. Antioxidants are the hero chemicals in this fruit. Antioxidants repair damage to arteries, and in turn, increase blood flow. This study done in the Annual Review of Food and Technology in 2010, scientifically backed the claims of pomegranate increasing libido in both men and women. 7. Maca. Probably the most studied food out there in terms of its effects on sex drive of both men and women. Maca root comes in a number of varieties and has overall health benefits far beyond increasing libido. This page has a wonderful summary of all its benefits and lists major studies that arrived at these results.